Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if it is your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe, join the family, stay and go, like this video, share, comment, let me know what you think. So on this video I'm gonna be reviewing 4 lipstick shades from Ofra Cosmetic. These shades are from the Soflo collection, and I used the red color in my last video. If you don't saw that video yet, go there and check it out. And I told you guys I was going to do a review on this lipstick, and this is one of the shades. So I hope you guys enjoy this review. Alright, so let's do this. Alright guys, so let's start this lipstick review. I told you guys that I was going to do a review on them. So here I have 4 shades of these. This is the Ofra Cosmetic Soflo collection. The colors are very pretty, and I love the consistency of Ofra liquid lipstick. Because some liquid lipstick can be, dry and make your lips look cracked or ugly. This one actually do a great job. So I'm gonna try it on one of the shades for you guys. On another video that I used, my last video that I did a fall makeup look, if you didn't saw it yet, you'll see it. I actually used this one here. The shade is called Brickle. It's a beautiful red shade. I'm gonna swatch all of them on my arm so you guys can see it. There. The shade is gorgeous, really pretty. The only thing is they last long and it's hard to come off. Right, so the second shade I'm going to try on one of the shades for us. I'm gonna try on this shade here. It's called Sunnyvale, I think. So let's put them down and let's try this shade on, because this one is actually one of my favorites. The other one is a little darker. This one is more like a rose or nudish pinkish. You guys see how beautiful this shade is? This is actually my favorite shade of the 4. So I'm just gonna swatch this shade too. This one is Sunnyvale. I'm gonna show you guys all the 4 shades when I'm done. But you guys see how beautiful it is? It's like a nude blush pinkish, something like that. Very beautiful. So the second shade that I'm going to be swatching for you guys is this one. It's called Ofra, like the mall in Miami. So here is dark. Beautiful. All of them are pretty, and they are just amazing lipstick. And the last shade I'm going to swatch for you guys, it's called Less or Less. I kind of find like Less or Less and the Sunnyvale shade a little bit similar, even though Sunnyvale is a little darker. So now I'm gonna come closer to show you guys these are 4 shades. Very pretty. It's like a nude pink kind of shade. You guys love any of my new extension? It's not new. I even have this extension for so long. I have it like probably for 3 years. When I used to have a lighter hair back then, just put away. But since this is Bella Mini extension, they are very good. The quality, if you care for them, they last long time. So but that's all for this 4 shade of this Soflo Ofra Cosmetics lipstick collection. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you have any question about any of the shades or any of the product, please leave in the comment below and tell me what you guys thought about my new hair. Right? No, this is just clipping in. I clip in when I want, I clip out when I don't. I'm just trying on some different stuff. That's me. I get bored with things very fast, so I need to change. Right? Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If it is your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe. Stay and go, join the family. And for you guys that's returning subscriber and come back and watch my video, love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. I appreciate you guys a bunch. And see you guys next video.